Celebrating growth. Understanding another year older. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but meaningful phrase in the English language. Another year older. This phrase is packed with simplicity and depth, and it's often used around birthdays or New Year celebrations. But what does it really signify? Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the emotions it can convey. Stay tuned as we unwrap this phrase together. At its core, another year older simply means that a person has aged one more year. It's a straightforward way of acknowledging the passage of time in someone's life. This phrase is most commonly used around someone's birthday as a way of recognizing their growth and the addition of another year to their age. However, it's not just about counting years. It's a marker of experiences, memories, and changes that have occurred over the past year. While another year older can be seen as a mere statement of fact, it often carries much deeper connotations. This phrase can reflect personal growth. It's not just about age but about what we've learned and how we've changed. Accomplishments. A year might include various achievements, both big and small. Challenges overcome. Every year has its ups and downs, and getting older means you've navigated another set of challenges. In different cultures, aging can be seen as a sign of wisdom, respect, and maturity. Saying, "another year older," can be a way of honoring someone's journey through life and the wisdom they've acquired. It's a reminder that with each year, we gather more experiences that shape who we are. You can use "another year older" in various contexts, such as birthday wishes, happy birthday, another year older, and you're just getting started. Reflective moments. Looking back, I'm another year older and grateful for all the lessons learned. Celebrations of achievement. With the completion of this project, we're all another year older and wiser. Another year older is a phrase rich with meaning, reflecting not just the passage of time but the growth and experiences that come with it. Whether it's a birthday, a personal milestone, or just a moment of reflection, this phrase reminds us of our journey through life and all the memories we've made along the way. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this exploration adds a bit more depth to your understanding and use of this beautiful phrase. Here's to growing older and embracing the wisdom that comes with it.